said the end is swell, but there's 1,000,001 reasons to break up, and 1,000,002 reasons to make up. No, I can't read your mind and what you think of, so tell me which road you wanna take, hon. Now I'm walking down memory lane, wondering if our love was ever in vain. Yeah, maybe she was only setting the stage to let me know some birds ain't meant to be caged.
Baby, listen, baby, don't you treat me this way, but I'll be back on my feet someday. Baby, listen, baby, don't you treat me this way, but I'll be back on my feet someday.
I ain't rich with the gold, no, I'm rich in the soul. So if you go digging the gold, cause I'm broke as a joke, but I'm laughing here. Yeah, even though my pocket's like rabbit ears, and it seems so good, yeah, it started right, but nothing lasts forever, that's a part of life. You know it started from the heart with starry eyes, ended with a sorry and a hard goodbye. What's the point to keep a bird in a cage? Just fly away, it's not your turn to be tamed. So I'm saying, you've been on my mind many days, but hey, you're just a bird anyways.
Baby, listen, baby, don't you treat me this way, but